Firstly, welcome to the Kamakhya. This is good, the outlook that we are talking about 2026. And please, if you can introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Dr. Devika Kapoor, partner Kashi Jewelers and founder of She by Kashi. I'm here to represent my company.
Oh, firstly, welcome. And I hope it has been a lovely evening for you.
I think it's been quite an insight about, what is going to happen in 2026, gold, diamond and silver. So I think we need to be prepared ahead with, what's in store for us.
Okay, so anything that you would want to share with us in a very quick and a very brief way about gold, diamond, and silver in a quick way, because there has been so much of a discussion inside. So if you can sum it up for us.
So gold, I think, is going to be the king, and it's going nowhere.
Gold is going to be the king.
king as always. But when you have the crown, so it needs the diamond there. So I think
sparkle
diamond,
comes, yeah.
the
The
sparkle
sparkle
will
comes,
always
yeah.
be with the diamond, and we should not forget that. So diamond has a story, and we are very proud. The diamonds are ladies, best friends, and that story never ends. And I think it's going to continue for years to come for us to pass it to other generations. Diamond is going nowhere.
Oh, very nice. So you have now come to the Kamakhya Outlook of 2026. It's the fourth edition. What do you feel about it? Anything that you would want to share with us?
So I couldn't come last time, but this has been an eye opener. There's so much to learn from the industry leaders, and being with everybody, and hearing their points. I think we should be always happening. These kind of events should always happen, and there's something, always a lot of takeaways.
Oh, so nice. I like what you're wearing on your ears. That's a heart-shaped diamond.
Yeah.
And when she talks about the gold is not going anywhere, and she's wearing diamond in a very big way. But thank you so much for coming here, and I truly hope you enjoyed yourself.
Yes.
And I wish you all the very best for your future endeavors.
All right.
Thank
Thank you.